Hello everyone, today's menu will be SWICY Asian wings. This delicious dish is the perfect combo of sweet and spicy. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. In my mortar, I'm going to add in some garlic along with some Thai chili peppers. And then I'm just going to smash it and pound it. Okay, once it's nice and pounded, I'm going to add in some sugar. And then I'm just going to kind of smash them and kind of like mix them together. Okay, once it's all nice and combined, I'm going to move my bowl over. And I'm just going to scrape out the pepper and sugar. And then I'm going to add in some water along with some fish sauce. And then I'm just going to go in and give it a quick little mix combine. And then I'm going to add in some lemon juice. And you can go ahead and use lime juice if you wish. And then you're just going to want to taste for any seasoning. Add more lemon juice if you wish, add more fish sauce, some more water, sugar. But for me, this is perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to set this aside. In a shallow bowl with rice flour, I'm going to add in some cayenne pepper along with some black pepper. And then I'm just going to give it a whisk. Okay, this looks good. I have some chicken wings that I already cut and rinsed and pat dry. I'm going to grab a piece of chicken. And then I'm just going to toss it into this flour mixture. Get it all nice and coated. If you don't want to touch it with your bare hands, you can go ahead and just put it in a Ziploc bag and shake it up. That's fine too. And just remove the excess powder. And then I'm just going to place it in there slowly. And then you just want to continue with the remaining chicken wings and cook in small batches so the wings will cook evenly. Once the chicken is nice and golden brown and is cooked through, this took me about 10 minutes. I'm going to grab it right out of the hot grease and then shake off the excess oil. And then from here, we're going to dump it right into this pepper sauce while it's nice and hot. And then we're just going to plate it and then continue with the process. Here is the end results of the SWICY Asian wings. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.